super excited and kinakabahan kasi first time kong magpapakita ng gantong look sa maraming tao and dito pa sa PBA. So, looking forward sa mga mangyayari pa this opening ceremony sa PBA ko. Mas kinakabahan talaga ako ngayon kaysa maglaro ng finals kung pinagdahan na ng management namin. So, tiwala kong magiging maganda ang kalalabasan ng looks. Ay, ako na-go na ako agad. Bakit pa kami dadalawang isip, diba? Sayang to. And alam na natin kung gaano kalaki ang basketball community. And syempre gusto ko rin na mapakita din ang sarili ko sa basketball community. And syempre malaman nila na isa ako sa part ng volleyball community.
Presenting the distinguished members of the PBA Board of Governors with their respective team muses.
Governor ng Phoenix Dual Masters and PBA Treasurer, Attorney Raymond Zorilla, joined by multi-awarded professional volleyball player for the Cleveland Cool Smashers, we have Miss Gemma Galanza.
Sugod! Here they come, your Phoenix Dual Masters!
Their muse, Gemma Galanza, and team captain RJ Azul join the players. JJ Alejandro, Kai Balungay, Simon Camacho, Matthew Daves, RR Garcia, Sean Manganti, JV Mocon, Larry Muyang, Jason Perkins, Richie Rivero, Kent Salado, Raul Soyud, Tyler Tio, Kenneth Tuffin, Rafi Verano, Javius McInnes. Head coach, Jamike Harin.
Maraming salamat po, PBA. Yeah.
Hello.